So this is my wife. She is 4'11", and she can fit on this thing somewhat. So 115 pounds, 4'11", and as you can see, she can easily go. I'm controlling her as well, so now I'm controlling her speed. She's like, what is going on? So reverse works. It's actually got some power. The fact that it can, you know, I think she's having too much fun. Let's. Okay, so I can even control the turning. So yeah, it's awesome. She likes it. So we're your kids, your teens, and hey, even your adult husbands and wives, if they're if they can fit. This is it. You have horn and steering wheel. You can you have music on here. You have a USB port, drive, park, reverse, and tons of other modes on here. The doors open up, so each door opens up. You also have a dump, so you have a dump as well, which is pretty awesome. So overall, this thing is a beast.